Ever wondered how much disk space each of your Steam games is using? If you click on a game in your library and go to Properties, Installed Files, you can see how large that specific game is. But if you have many games installed, checking them one by one can take a long time. Luckily, Steam has a much faster method. Go to Steam, click Settings, and in the left column, find Storage. Here you'll see all your installed games listed together with their disk usage. You can quickly compare sizes and see which games are taking up the most space. If you have multiple drives with installed games, you can switch between them too. You can also sort them by used disk space or by the last time you played them. Maybe you'll spot games you haven't touched in years and free up a lot of space. This makes it easy to decide what to uninstall or move, all without opening each game individually. A simple, quick way to manage your storage and keep your PC running smoothly. If this tip helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tricks.